5 amazing websites you have to know that will blow your mind. Ready? Let's get started. The first website for today is Uberduck AI. It's an amazing open source voice AI community. Here you will find over 5,000 lifelike voiceovers. But here you have to know, in Uberduck AI you will not find normal voiceovers, but voices of celebrities. Yes, here you can convert your text, your paragraph into a voice of a celebrity that you can use it later in your projects, like the song. And of course, you can use Uberduck AI for free. Thus, after sign up here for free from Get Started, just you can go to this dashboard of your account in Uberduck AI, and here you will find a lot of tools like reference audio. You can use Graph.me to Funny Converter, or you can custom voice clones. Here you can create your own artificial intelligence voiceovers. And here you will find you can turn your ideas, your thoughts into an art. And talking about text to speech to a voice of a celebrity. So click over that. And here you have to select the category, like boxing, for example. And you can select the celebrity or the person who yell and shout out and make the way for the fighter or the boxer. And here in this box you have to paste here your text, your paragraph, like this one. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. And just you can click over this button, synthesize, click over that. As you see, and
opportunities don't happen, you create them.
Perfect voiceover of celebrity. Just you can use this generated voice, as you see, from actions. Here you can download it, export as video. Here you will find a studio to make your video, save publicity and save privately. Okay. And regarding using these generated voices in your commercial purposes, here according to this amazing website Uberduck AI, you can use this generated voice in your commercial use if you subscribe to this amazing plan, creator plan. As you see, commercial use Uberduck Studio voices, but for free you will not use these voices in your commercial purposes. Okay, perfect. So you have to use and try this amazing website Uberduck AI. And now let's move to the next website for today quickly. That is Wordstream.com. It's an amazing tool that helps you to optimize your Google ads to promote your products in Google. And here you can scroll down to this part, which is a free tool, keyword research made fast and easy. Here you can generate hundreds and thousands of keywords with cost per click and search volume, and you can use that for free. As you see, Wordstream free keyword tool. Here you can insert your keyword, your seed keyword, for example, like fitness tips, for example. Just find my keywords, and you can refine your search with industry and location. Okay, so we can select this one for example, health and fitness. Continue. Just a few seconds, and it will give you a full report of your keywords and related keywords with search volume and CPC. As you see, like fitness centers, health and fitness, fitness Apple, club for fitness, health club, fitness tips, and so on, with monthly search volume according to updated Google search volumes, and high range and competition like low, medium, difficult, and so on. Okay, perfect. That you can use them in your Google ad campaign. And now let's go together to the next website for today. That is Jotform.com. Jotform.com. It's an amazing website builder or form builder that you can use to create a landing page or a website to promote your products, to digital products, print on demand, and so on. And of course, I've talked about this amazing website in details. You'll find this video below in the description box. And jump to the next website for today quickly. That is FYI.to. It's an amazing website builder or a landing page builder. and your landing page what's so-called smart list that you can use later as a link in bio in your profile on social media like on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. And the best thing here on FYI.to, just here, paste the link of your product, whatever it is, like digital product, affiliate product, print on demand, and so on. And just it automatically grabs the thumbnail of your product plus a crystal clear call to action. For example, if you want to promote an amazing product from YouTubeProfits.com, it's an amazing affiliate network that contains a huge amount of products related to the weight loss niche, fitness niche, and bodybuilding niche. Like this product with commission 35% with lifetime cookies. So we can copy this link and pack to our wonderful website and just paste here the link, and it automatically grabs the thumbnail of your product with a brief description with a call to action. As you see, fast burn extreme #1 among fat burners. So you can add as you want from affiliate products, digital products, print on demand, or websites or articles, as you see, and create your smart list from here. Create your smart list, and first you have to create your landing page with your username. For example, we can name it like fitno is your email, so we can copy this disposable email, tag to our website, Ctrl V, enter your password, sign up for free, open, and here we have made our smart list or our landing page or our website or link in bio that you can use on your social media profiles, as you see. So if anyone clicks over this icon or this thumbnail, he will be taken directly to your product page, as you see. Okay, perfect. And now let's take a look to the last website for today. That is OnlineTools AI. It's a huge library of SEO tools. So you can find here a lot of tools in a toolbox, like this one: keyword density checker, keywords rich domains, blog finder, social stats checker, and a lot of these beautiful tools that you can use in your blog, business, and so on, like backlink checker, backlink maker, mods rank checker, link analyzer, link tracker, and here you'll find a lot of categories like this one: keyword position checker, plagiarism checker, grammar checker, page authority checker, text to speech, backlink, and a lot of more for content writing tools like rewrite, article scrapper, spinner pro, grammar checker, remove duplicate lines, comma separating tools, upside down text generator, text to speech converter, small text generator, word counter, for PDF tools like split PDF, decrypt, PDF to PNG, PDF to Word, rotate PDF, PDF to JPG, and much more of these beautiful tools regarding PDF and text converting, and for content writing, and for your blog SEO, and so on, like this one: website tools, and much more. And you are able to use all these tools for free. So I will leave these links below in the description box. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.